We're all happy to see you again. What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag a wagon. Well done! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. Good job! Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Well done! That was super cool! Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy! Just slice or tap it to open. Lights out. The rolling bridge is just there. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks. Can you move it out of the way? Drag it onto the blue spot to clear the tracks. That's the way! Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Super! We all love your train set. Choose a new toy. Let's go find that toy. Lights on. All my friends want to help too, so make sure you change engines often. Oh no! Shiva wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back in. That's perfect! Thanks for helping out! To pick a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. I love that. Where to now? Right leads to... We're almost at the town square. Right leads to... Cannonball... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Right leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. Good job! toy you'd like. Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Left leads. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Great! Well done! That was off the rails! Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy! Where to now? Right leads... Right leads to... Right leads to... Forward leads to... The Steamworks are just ahead. Right leads to... The Steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the Steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it off. You all love your train set. To pick a new toy.